Interdisciplinary design is about designs that involved with disciplines from other design or non-design disciplines, or the design outcome is in another design discipline that is not in the original field of the designer. Personally, I think interdisciplinary design is very much from the design definition itself. Since design is about solving problems by utilizing a design process, so in the process of problem solving, designers always have to ask two questions. One is, what's the information that leads to the resolution of the problem? And another is, what's the design outcome? So to the first question, when designing products like electronics, design needs to be supported by other disciplines, such as engineering, interaction design, business, and other areas of expertise, which means designers are working with multiple disciplines, hence doing interdisciplinary design. To the second question, the outcome of design has to meet the demands of the design project. Or in other words, the design outcome has to be the one that works the best. And if the outcome is not in the designer's expertise, then it's interdisciplinary design. So having answered those two questions, I realized that describing interdisciplinary design is really describing the definition of design, but just in more context.